All right, YouTube, I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Day 12. Let's go. It's day 12, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Consistency, man. It builds work ethic. It builds discipline. And it kills the ego, man. This is day 12 of the 100-day push-up challenge, man. And I'm here to get it with y'all for 30 days. 100 push-ups, man. That's 3,000 push-ups. Let's do this, man. Let's get it in and let's stay tuned, stay locked in. Let's go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Hell yeah. Whew. Hell yeah. That's 50, man. 50 in the books, man. We halfway back through the day. Day 12. Yes, sir. Day 12, man. Man. Starts getting intense, man. So when it start getting real, you know, but you can't stop. You can't stop. You can't stop. Get it in. Keep getting it in, man. Keep getting in, man. We already did 1,150 together. Let's keep it going, man. I'm fresh off the clock. Fresh off the clock. Construction, you know. I gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going, baby. No matter what. Stay disciplined. Stay locked in, man. And don't ever quit the grind. Be on the grind. Never get off the grind. Yes, sir. Can we get 50 more? Can we get 50? Can you drop down and give me 50? Drop down and give me 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 23, 25, 28, 9, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 48, 49, 50. Woo! Damn, that burn. Let's get it. That burn. Yeah. Oh. Day 12 is in the books. Yes, sir. Let's keep going. Let's stay locked in. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, man. Love, peace, and abundance. I'm out of here. Bye.